Nothing like buying 10 cans of pop at 2 in the morning. You never have enough caffeine, I guess. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are working on the floor. We're doing a lot of other odds and ends. Trying to get this floor down for the laundromat. Decided to go with the VCT tile. It's a 12 by 12 tile, made out of primarily, I think, limestone, rather than grinding the floors and painting them, or using epoxy, or doing ceramic tile. This way we can batch, put the floor down in batches, and we can, we'll just wax it and buff it, and it'll be really shiny. We're really happy with how it came out. We got about half done, and we're gonna wait till we get the other machines in. We had to do some floor work, and we get the other dryers out before we finish. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Say that just mop it. About time you did some heavy demolition work. But I could fight. We had a high spot on our concrete floor over here, so what we did was we broke off the high spot. We're going to feather it out. That way we continue with the VCT all the way to the back. Hopefully it's not too much of a crazy hump or anything like that. But definitely something on this slab where it got uneven or pushed down or raised up. That's going to mess with our floor, so do a little work with that. We're going to take some mortar, feather it out here, and hopefully that does the trick.